Today I want to share a different angle on the Rune Noord, not from posture work, not from meditation, but from something a little more modern. A world of heated online conversations around political issues. We all know Noord as the rune of friction, necessary pressure, subtle tension that refines us, and those micro adjustments inside a held posture. It is the rune that teaches us how life shapes us from the inside out. But what surprises me this week was discovering that Noord also lives in our social interactions, especially in those fiery Facebook threads where everyone has an opinion and nobody seems to have any patience. I found myself in the middle of one of those discussions, lots of emotion, lots of history, lots of identity, and I noticed something. Every time I kept my tone calm, every time I clarified instead of attacking, every time I made a tiny shift in my posture or my wording, the entire energy of the conversation shifted. Not dramatically, not heroically, just a half-degree adjustment, barely visible, but structurally significant. And that, to me, is Noord at work. Inside a body, Noord shows us as micro movements, the subtle pulses that keeps a posture we keep alive. In social spaces it becomes micro interventions. A calm tone in a chaotic thread, a clarifying sentence, a gentle redirection, a soft hum that steadies the field. This is the place where you're not trying to win, you're not trying to convert anyone, you're not trying to be a wise sage in the room. You are simply adding one moment of consciousness into a space overflowing with reactivity. And that small hum, that tiny presence, it changes more than what we think. It reminded me of the 8th charm of the Havamal, the one we associate with Noord. The 8th one I know is quite useful to hear to people in danger and need. When hatred rises between man and man, I settle it fast. Now we may not be breaking up Viking feuds anymore, but hatred still arises, even in common sections. And sometimes the most powerful thing we can bring is not force, but it's not cleverness, not argument, but a steadiness of the Rune Noord. A micro adjustment, a calmer rhythm, a softer posture. Rune work lived in real time, not as a hobby, but as a way of being. So next time you find yourself in a heated conversation, notice the subtle pressure. Feel for a micro shift that will make the difference, and let Noord breathe through you. You will be surprised how much harmony a single moment of presence can bring.